Hi guys, and welcome to Lucky Day Competitions. Today I'm here to show you this Scania T460, which could be yours for just $29.97. It's on the website now, so get in and get your tickets bought before they're all gone. The draw goes ahead on September 13th, which is a Monday, so get in, get your tickets bought, and meet myself and Monty on Monday evening for the big live draw. I'm going to get in here and let this baby rip, so listen in.